In this video, we are going to learn about pipelines in IBM StreamSets, including some things to keep in mind once you begin building your own. In StreamSets, a pipeline defines how data flows from an origin to its destination systems, as well as how the data is processed along the way. Pipelines continuously read, process, and write streaming data as soon as it becomes available from your origin. In your pipelines, you will use a single origin stage to represent the origin system. The origin is your data source. The origin stage is what streams data into your pipeline. You can then use multiple processor stages to transform the data. These processor stages allow you to filter data, apply expressions, change the schema, inject new data, and much more. Using StreamSets, there are endless ways to transform and shape raw data into highly usable, targeted data streams. Finally, your transformed data is saved through a destination stage. Multiple destinations can be used to represent your different systems. These destination systems are the external locations where your transformed data is saved. Origins process your data streams in batches. Each batch is processed and an offset is created. The origin then passes the batch to the next stage for processing. Once the data reaches your destination, the next batch processes automatically. Offsets are used to identify where you are in your data. For example, with a batch size of 1,000 records, an offset will be created that is set to 1001. After the first 1,000 records pass through the destination, the origin begins a new batch, starting with record 1001. Some origins support multi-threaded operation. This helps improve your pipeline's throughput by creating multiple pipeline runners. This means that several batches can be processed at the same time. Even in multi-threaded pipelines with multiple runners, the offsets are still automatically tracked. Offsets are also used to establish a delivery guarantee. StreamSets pipelines provide two different delivery guarantees: at most once and at least once. At least once ensures that the pipeline processes all available data. At most once ensures the data is not duplicated by being processed more than once. Pipelines are built using reusable, shareable components. These components drastically reduce development time and the need for code, allowing you to focus on your data. Connections are pre-configured credentials used to allow your stages to authenticate with external systems. Connections allow you to quickly connect to your data sources by selecting stored credentials from a drop-down box on your stages. You can also group sets of stages together as a pipeline fragment so you can reuse the same stage configuration in more pipelines. Connections, fragments, and most other components in IBM StreamSets are also shareable. You, or your administrator, can configure share settings to allow collaboration on engine setup, pipeline builds, fragments, and much more. You will learn about fragments, connections, and more in future labs. The IBM StreamSets documentation site provides far more additional detail than we can cover in this video. You can access the documentation site through the link provided in this course. In our next video, we will walk through, step by step, how to build your first pipeline. We'll see you there.